How do I unclog a toilet when a plunger doesn't work? If you are asking this question, you are dealing with a highly stubborn blockage. Today, we will answer exactly how to clear your toilet safely using alternative methods. Why is my toilet still clogged after plunging? Your toilet is still clogged after plunging because the blockage is either too solid, wedged too tightly in the internal trap, or pushed too far down the main drain line for basic suction to reach it. Can I use dish soap and hot water to unclog a toilet? Yes, you can use dish soap and hot water to unclog a toilet. Pouring a half cup of liquid dish soap followed by a bucket of hot, but not boiling, water helps lubricate the pipe and dissolve solid waste. How do I use baking soda and vinegar for a toilet clog? You use baking soda and vinegar by pouring 1 cup of baking soda directly into the bowl, followed by 2 cups of white vinegar. The resulting fizzing reaction can help break down organic blockages. What is a toilet auger and how does it work? A toilet auger, also known as a closet auger, is a specialized plumbing snake designed specifically for toilets. It uses a flexible, crank-operated cable to physically break apart or hook onto deep, solid clogs. How do I safely use a toilet auger? You safely use a toilet auger by ensuring the tool's protective rubber sleeve rests firmly against the bottom of the bowl. This prevents the heavy metal cable from leaving permanent, dark scratches on the delicate porcelain. Will a wire coat hanger unclog a toilet? A wire coat hanger will unclog a toilet if the blockage is shallow. However, you must carefully wrap the sharp end in a rag and secure it with tape to avoid severely scratching the inside of the toilet bowl. Should I use chemical drain cleaners in my toilet? No, you should never use chemical drain cleaners in your toilet. These harsh chemicals create intense internal heat that can literally crack the porcelain bowl and cause severe chemical burns to anyone trying to fix it later. Can a wet-dry vacuum remove a stubborn toilet clog? Yes, a wet-dry vacuum can remove a stubborn toilet clog. By emptying the vacuum canister, removing the paper filter, and wrapping the hose in an old towel to create a seal, you can physically suck the blockage out. When should I call a professional plumber for a clogged toilet? You should call a professional plumber if the water begins backing up into your bathtub or shower when you flush. This indicates a severe blockage in your main sewer line, not just a localized toilet issue. Do not let a stubborn toilet clog ruin your day or damage your bathroom. For fast, safe, and professional drain clearing services, contact us today at 858-536-4161.